This tutorial will fully inform you on how to set up and run Shriver Auditorium. First, let's go through our different lighting options. Offstage is our lighting controls. Stick any key into the upper slot to turn on and off the stage lights. The buttons underneath control the audience lighting. You can lighten the mood by bringing the audience lights halfway down. For more of a movie viewing, turn the audience lights completely off when everyone has been seated. Most setups require a podium. Wheel one out from offstage. Attach a gooseneck mic holder and an SM58 microphone. Next, attach an XLR and neatly wrap it around the gooseneck mic. Attach the end into the XLR input offstage label with its corresponding number. There are also inputs in the front of the stage, audience left, and two on audience right. One on the stage in the middle, and the last one off stage, audience right. Shriver has a separate case of wireless mics. The mics take 9-volt batteries. Hold the button to turn the mic on. Green means it's active, orange is mute. If ever red, the battery is dead. Hold the button to turn off. The audio case is located off stage. Every separate unit must remain on. Do not turn anything off even if you are wrapping up for the day. The XLR inputs throughout the stage are labeled as mic 1 through 6 on the touch panel. Main audio output controls are on the right and control sound as a whole. Adjust each channel to an appropriate volume by moving each slider up and down. Radio 1 through 8 corresponds to each labeled wireless mic in the set. CD volume has its own channel. Test any CD or MP3 volume prior to the event. The X's above each channel can be used to mute each individual mic. This can help cut mics that aren't being used. The green and red slider correspond to the left and right speaker in the auditorium. All mics are controlled as a whole by the blue slider, and as you can see, has a blue node. You can also mute the channel to cut all mics altogether. Notice the 3 blank nodes that go above each channel. The blue one corresponds to the main audio slider. To reinforce sound, you can light up the green and the red, which will send the sound to the side speakers in the auditorium. Let's go over controls on the panel. Select venue. If you find you are not hearing any sound, make sure you have theater selected. EQ. EQ takes you to the right and left equalizers. Levels takes you to the audio controls for the stage monitor, clipper room, and auxiliary outputs. You can have a sound in the clipper room amped up, lowered, or muted to cut any sound to the second level room. Monitor speakers can help on-stage talent hear themselves. Auxiliary output controls any line connected to receive in-house sound directly. Outputs are located below the CD player. CD player has the ability to play CDs, sound from an MP3 player, or a laptop with an 1/8" connection, an iPod on its docking port. To select either one of these sources, hold Shift and press Select Source until the CD player reads the specific source. CD controls work accordingly: open and close, rewind and forward, play, stop, and advance. Next, let's lower the screen and set up a projector. Remove the clasp at the bottom of the first rope labeled screen. Lower the screen hand over hand, moving the weight towards the ceiling. When the screen is lowered all the way down, refasten the secure clasp. Now grab a short throw projector and place it in the middle of the stage. Plug the power cord into the projector and the convenient floor outlet. Power up the projector. Plug in VGA and hit Select Source once laptop is connected. To adjust the image, move forward to fit the screen. Adjusting the back legs will bring the image down more, while the front will lift it up. Turn off the stage lights and inspect from the back of the room. Congratulations! You have set up Shriver.